Hi, I'm Shantanu Chaudhuri. I manage the Oracle Platform Solutions, Automation, and Pre-Sales competency in Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra has been continuously investing on solutions that will help our customers through their digital journey and achieve more efficiency in their business processes. Our solutions are built leveraging the rich knowledge that we gained by working with global industry leaders, intelligent market insights, and cutting edge technologies. Aviation record management is one such solution which is crafted on the strong foundation of Oracle SaaS and PaaS cloud. The solution is pre-integrated with Hyperledger-based blockchain platform. Aviation probably is one such industry which has a number of unique features. This is an industry where several global leaders play together in different roles. The role could be of an OEM, which is played by companies like Boeing, Airbus, Bombardier. The role could be of an operator. Hundreds of airlines across the globe play this role. We also have the MROs, regulatory authorities, Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 suppliers, flying academies, and so on, who play key roles in the value chain of this industry. If we look at the industry from operators' perspective, one of their key concerns is to uphold the integrity of aircraft maintenance data. Pilots report any kind of snag in an aircraft through their log, which is commonly known as PIREP. The moment an aircraft lands, the inline maintenance engineer picks up this PIREP report and addresses the listed concerns. Most of the times, the snag can be corrected, but maybe a replacement of components would be required. There may be situations sometimes when they recommend the aircraft to be taken to an MRO for an overhauling or a larger servicing. While this sounds pretty simple, the challenge of managing these maintenance records is that the aircraft may be owned by an operator of a country. It may fly to another country and could be serviced by the agents of a third-party vendor or a different operator. If they would have been recommended for a servicing in MRO, the MRO may be located in a different country altogether. So unless every single component that are replaced can be tracked for authentication of its manufacturer, warranty period, and other related information by all the stakeholders, including the OEM, we could easily run into a situation where a spurious component gets fitted in the aircraft or a replacement of component is charged back to OEM though the warranty period is over. Our aviation record management solution addresses exactly this pain area through blockchain platform. While the core transactions are made in Oracle SaaS and PaaS cloud, every single snag entered by pilot in PIREP enters into blockchain platform as an immutable transaction and is visible to all the stakeholder organizations through the common user interface in blockchain. Similarly, once the problem is addressed, a part is replaced and the flight is certified for airworthiness, the maintenance log or MyRep creates the next block in the blockchain platform. This helps in the right validation, bringing immutability and authentication of the transactions with 360-degree visibility. Interested to know more? Then reach out to me and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.